Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Fit and Bless TV, where we're going to be talking about your health. We're going to be talking about fitness, nutrition, and of course wellness in general. Today we have a recipe for you, so just keep watching to find out what our recipe is. And my name, your humble host, is Bless. Enjoyed watching that video, and of course let me know if you're going to try the recipe, and let me know what you liked most about the video. Did you like the food? Did you like the way it was prepared? Is there anything you think we could improve on? Just let me know down below, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment, and feel free to share this with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.